Welcome to the Kitchen Under Pressure channel. Today's video is a follow-up to my original review on the Weber Spirit E-210 barbecue that I posted back in February 2019. Since then, I've had a chance to see what I like and don't like about the barbecue and how it's held up over time. I got overwhelmingly positive feedback on the video, and I was happy that so many people found it helpful. I definitely learned from your comments as well. So in this video, I'm going to review how I clean the barbecue, the likes and dislikes, and then show some of the food we've cooked recently. So let's get started. And don't forget, click the like, subscribe, and click the little bell to get notified of future videos. So today I'll be using my Honda pressure washer to clean the barbecue inside and get rid of the grease and the grime. And then I'll have some scrapers. As you can see, the bottom and the flavorizing bars are pretty caked up along with the grill grates themselves. So if you keep the flavorizing bars clean and do that occasionally, you'll avoid flare-ups altogether. I see some rust starting to come through on the flavorizing bars, which is a little disappointing. Likely need to be replaced in a year or two. The center one doesn't experience direct heat, so there's no rusting on it. I removed the heat deflector that I'll clean with the pressure washer later. Scraper, I started removing the scale and soot, funneling it down into the catch tray, and I decided to remove the burners once I realized how easy it was. Probably should have done that first, and I figured it'd be good to remove them anyway before blasting with the pressure washer. Nothing more satisfying than watching dirt get blown away by a pressure washer. There isn't much I don't like about this barbecue. It's built well, has a solid top and handle. Other than the flavorizing bars, there's no rust anywhere. It's as solid as the day I put it together. Grill grates, which are coated, are in great shape, showing no signs of rust. It cooks well. Good heat distribution. The flavorizing bars are effective as long as they're kept clean, and it works great for indirect cooking. The temperature gauge is holding up well. So far, the igniter is working fine too. I like the fact you can replace the battery in it. I also got the proper cover for it. It's a Weber part number 7138. Now for the dislikes, which are only a couple of them. The design of the propane full empty indicator is the major one. The two bumpers that keep the tank from rubbing against the frame are set at the same level as the seam weld on the tank. The weld is raised about 3/16 of an inch, which catches on the bumpers and doesn't allow free up and down movement of the tank with the spring mechanism. I'm not sure if Weber has redesigned this on the newer models. I hope so, but it would definitely be an upgrade. The other dislike is the fact that flavorizing bars started to rust after a year. Stainless steel bars would be better there. Lastly, a shout out to the butcher shop in Brockville, Ontario. Every few weeks we load up on their great variety of quality meats. They have an amazing staff, always waiting with a smile to get you what you need. And if you're from the area, you should really go and check them out. Their website is butchershopbrockville.com.